Imagine a busy call center operating 24/7 suddenly hit by a power outage due to a fire. In such critical moments, time is crucial. Allow me to introduce to you InMapzX, the go-to solution for effortlessly managing emergencies. Step 1. Open the InMapzX app for your facility. Step 2. Identify emergency backup workstations on the map. Step 3. Follow the footprints on the map to locate backup generators, saving valuable time. InMapzX guides you with precision to ensure no time is wasted. Experience a smooth transition as workers relocate to backup workstations and generators are started quickly, saving money and allowing the business to continue during this crucial time. And it's not just about power outages. InMapzX is here to make sure you're well prepared when any emergency strikes. InMapzX, your reliable partner for emergency management. Connect with us now to discover how we can help you save a lot of time and money while making your job a lot easier.